Hi everybody. Today I'm going to talk to you about where to find the feedback that your instructors leave for you in Canvas. When you submit an assignment to your teacher, whether it be on paper for points or something you've submitted through Canvas like a discussion, an essay, or taking a quiz, your instructor can leave you feedback, more than just points in the gradebook, actual feedback. So I wanted to show you where to find that. So I've already opened our class up and I am in the student view. What I'm going to do is go to this button called Grades. Okay, this is what you would see here, but you would see your name instead of test student. So here, if I'm looking at no red ink to verb tenses, I could see that there's been no submission or no grade for this. But up here, everything's graded and there's some things with some different comments in them. So let's open up the in-class diagnostic writing assignment. Okay, there's no preview because this is a test student and there was no actual submission, but you can see here that there's a file attached that your instructor attached a rubric for you to see. So you could click on that and download it and see what the rubric is. Maybe there's going to be highlights or notes that way. I'm going to click back. I apologize, I have a dog having conniption fits in my living room, making very rude sounds. Okay, syllabus acknowledgement quiz. Okay, so here you can see there's a conversation going. Your instructor said, good job, test student, but I think you could do better. Why don't you retake this quiz? So this was posted by Lisa Moore, August 23rd at 2:05 p.m. And then test student replied, whatever, teacher, at 11:23 a.m. on the 29th. So I could continue this conversation and say, there. The conversation continues. So we could have a conversation about an assignment. Okay, clicking backwards. So this was a discussion that you guys all posted. You posted intros of yourself. And so looks like that would be for me to create one. Oh, you know what? I know where I left it. There's more feedback way down here. Media comment. Get ready. It's going to be obnoxious and loud.
Hello, this is how you might get audio feedback from your instructor.
So this is an option where I could actually leave you almost like a voicemail message on an assignment. Studies show that when teachers handwrite or they write out their feedback to you, tone doesn't come through. If I were to leave you a voice message about what I'm seeing in your piece, you may hear my tone. I may be able to explain things a little bit more clearly, something like that. I can also leave you video feedback, just like I'm doing for you right now, where you see my computer. I could leave you feedback of your paper and talk to you about it. So I just want you to make sure that you know that you go to grades to find your gradebook, and that this little box right here means that you have a comment from me. Okay? So why don't you check that out today and see how your grades are doing. Here's your total score. The test student's doing swimmingly with a 96%. And then you can message me if you have any questions or if you see any errors in your gradebook. All right, everybody, I'll see you in class.